Gawa sa mga beauty pageant sama sa Miss Universe, Miss World ug uban pa, mitumaw na sab karon ang mga male pageantry. Pipila sa ato mga Pambato nang hawod sa bisan unsa mang male pageantry, manasyonal man o ma-international pageant man. Usa sa mga magdala sa ngalan sa atong nasod mao ang batan-ong garbo sa Samar nga si Vaughn Justice Zabala. Siya ang napiling mo representar sa atong nasod alang sa indigay sa Mr. Britain International 2022 nga ipahigayon ngadto sa nasod sa Thailand. Sa iyang panginaron, dayag na niya ang iyang tinguha sa kaugalingon nga maghatag og garbo sa atong nasod. Busa karong buntaga Sayran ta ang iyang pagpangandam nga gibuhat sa mahong kompetisyon. Dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Laing garbo sa Samar kining usa ka batan-on nga napiling mo representar sa atong nasod sa Mr. Preteen International 2022 ngadto sa nasod sa Thailand. We have this morning Vaughn Justice Zabala. Maupay nga aga, Mr. Preteen International Vaughn. Isang pangmalakasang shout-out naman dyan para sa ating mga kapuso.
Hi mga kapuso! Maupay na aga hayutanan. Ako'y Vaughn Justice Zabala, 16, from Tacloban City, and I will be representing our country in Thailand for Mr. Preteen International.
Aba, energy na energy si Vaughn. That's what we really need this morning. Kaya naman, gaano nakahanda ang ating Pambato sa Mr. Preteen International?
Yes, I am very ready for this pageant. And even though I am ready, I am still having my Q&A training same with my pasarela and still visiting my gym almost every other day to be physically fit.
Vaughn, may we know what's the main goal of this pageant, Mr. Preteen International 2022?
The main goal of this pageant is to spread unity, friendship, camaraderie among us teenagers all around the world. We are here gathered for a purpose, and it is all about environmental protection.
And of course, gusto rin naming malaman kung ano yung advocacy na gusto mong dalhin sa pageant na ito.
My advocacy is all about spreading awareness about environmental protection.
This is a very good platform indeed, Vaughn. Pero personally, what was the hardest part of joining this pageant?
The hardest part for me is being true to myself for this pageant. As we know, bashers are spreading all over the world, and as what they say, we can please everyone, but I am here confidently believing in myself because I am not only representing myself, family, and city, but I am representing our whole nation, which is Philippines.
And talking about the hardest part of pageantry, susubukan natin ang Q&A skills mo, Vaughn, ha? So here's your question. If you could go back to a certain history, what will you change?
If I could change something in the history, I would definitely change the devastation of Yolanda in our region. In Eastern Visayas, specifically in our city, Tacloban City, I've seen a lot who lost their loved ones. And I experienced how that calamity destroyed the dreams and future for the people who failed to survive. And I pray that it will not happen again.
Ayan, ready na talaga si Vaughn. Kaya naman, can you please invite all our Kapuso viewers to support you in this journey?
Hi mga Kapuso, please do support me for my upcoming pageant which will be held in Thailand. I will be representing our own country, Philippines. For more update, please follow me in my Instagram at I am Vaughn Zabala.
And lastly, Vaughn, ano yung mensahe na gusto mong ipaabot sa ating mga Kapuso ngayong umaga?
My message of hope for our Kapuso in Eastern Visayas that you are never alone, especially those who are struggling with this pandemic. And I would like to remind you that please always follow the protocols and be vaccinated. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Vaughn. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you.